I am an expert on animal sounds, written by Jordan Storm. I am an expert on animal sounds. Here are some fun facts. The blue whale can make a sound as loud as a jet engine or grenade explosion. The howler monkey can make a sound that can be heard as far as 3 miles away, which is as loud as 90 decibels. The lion can roar up to 114 decibels, which is louder than a gas-powered lawnmower. Roar! The hippo can make a sound as loud as 115 decibels. That's louder than a subway train. The tiger pistol shrimp is one of the world's loudest animals. It makes sounds louder than 200 decibels. That's louder than fireworks.
Excuse me, Jordan. Since I love puppies, can I do the next one?
Sure.
A wolf's howl can reach up to 90 decibels. That's as loud as a motorcycle.
Thanks, Mozilla. Some animals are very quiet. These include goldfish, bunnies, snails, and even sharks. That's all for today. Bye!